creative friends. I'm Deborah and I'm the hands behind Taylor's Yarn Creations. In this channel, I share crochet tutorials, projects, and ideas. I also provide a wealth of information on marketing prep, productivity hacks, and ways to transform your hobby into a business. But for now, I'll be sharing with you how to make this beautiful crossed half double crochet stitch. This stitch is perfect for making dishcloths, cardigans, blankets, or anything else you like. I've already started this pattern just so that you can see the beauty of this particular stitch. If you like tutorials like this, be sure to like and subscribe so that we can learn and create together. I'm using Hobby Lobby's I Love This Cotton. You will also need a crochet hook. I'm using a H 5mm hook. To start, you will need to chain an even number. For this pattern, I did 40 stitches, and then the first row is made of half double crochet stitches. You will start in the third chain from the hook and crochet in each chain stitch forward. After that, you will chain 2 and start the next row. This row will start the pattern called the cross half double crochet stitch, and I'll show you how it's done. After you chain your 2 stitches and you turn, you want to begin with the half double crochet stitch, which is basically you yarn over, you insert your hook. For the now crossed half double crochet stitch, you will skip the first chain and insert the hook into the next stitch. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all to complete the half double crochet. The next stitch will be you yarn over and do the half double crochet stitch in the chain that you skipped. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3. You will continue this pattern all the way down to the end of the row. I'll do it again. Yarn over, skip, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3. Yarn over, go back into the stitch that you skipped, insert hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3. This stitch works really fast. It is beginner friendly. This stitch is very simple and elegant. It works up fast and is easy enough for a beginner. To end this pattern, even though I'm not sure how others do it, I'm going to end it. Once I get my desired length, I'm going to end it with half double crochet stitches. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. Be sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.